guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Today we are gonna go through a fast process of cabinet door handle installation. We are going to try to install this in under 60 seconds. As you can see right here, I have one big closet that I have made recently, and I want to install closet doors to the bottom and to the top shelves. When it comes to the handle installation, the most important thing is to clearly define the position of your handle. Now you can put it anywhere you like, but the most common sense is to put it in position where you have the least resistance when you are opening the door. So in this case that would be here or here. So when you are opening this door, you have a least resistance doing so. For example, these doors are at bottom of my closet, and it makes sense to put them right here, close to the top, so you can reach them more easily. The same thing applies to the top doors. It's way better to have these handles here close to this edge. It's way easier to reach it. Now you can put your handles horizontally or vertically. It really doesn't matter that much. It depends on how tall you are and what do you prefer. In my case, I like to have it horizontally like this. It's just easier for my smaller wife to reach it. Now for your whole position, right here for the handles, please don't overcomplicate. It's very simple. Just decide where you want your handle to be, mark it a little bit, and now you have a horizontal center line. Measure the first hole, mark it, measure the width on the handle between two holes, and mark that same dimension on your doors. Now you can drill your holes, but make sure that your drill bit is the same diameter as your handle screw. We don't want to have some wobbly handle after installation. Put your screws from the inner side and tighten your handle as much as possible. Now this was pretty simple and easy, right? I bet you can install this handle in under 60 seconds. Challenge accepted. Let's do it on another door. Shit. Second 50. Shit. I forgot my screwdriver. Where is my shit? Come on. Liar, liar, pens on fire. Here, it's in. So late. That's it. Stop. Shit. Okay, a little bit late, not under 60 seconds, but as you could see, the installation was very fast. That was pretty challenging, but we managed to do it a little bit over time, but what can you do? I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. And if you are interested in any more woodworking videos, check out these suggestions right here. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.